Subject Engineering Physics, JNTU Kakinada, R23 Regulation. First BTech, common to all branches, January 2025. Part A, 2 marks questions ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. First question, account the circular shape of Newton rings in interference pattern. Distinguish between polarized light and unpolarized light. What are lattice plans of a crystal? How are they represented? Is unit cell of FCC lattice a primitive or are not? Why? How orientation polarization varies with temperature. Write the properties of ferromagnetic materials. Find the lowest energy of an electron confined to a one-dimensional box of side 0.1 nanometer. Define the Fermi level of an electron. Write the effect of temperature on resistivity of a semiconduction. Does Hall coefficient depends on doping concentration? Justify. Part B, 10 marks questions ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. యూనిట్ 1 నుంచి సెకండ్లో ఏ. Account the circular shape of Newton rings in an interference pattern. Obtain an expressions for the diameter of the nth bright and dark rings in the case of Newton rings. B. Calculate the thickness of a soap field. Mu is equal 1.463. That will result in constructive interference in the reflected light. If the film is illuminated normally with light whose wavelength in free space is 6000 angstroms. Third A. Explain the phenomenon of double reflection. How can it is used to produce a plane polarized light? B. Write a short notes on quartered and half wave plates. 4 A. Illustrate Bravais lattices. B. What is packing fraction? Find the packing fractions for a simple cubic and face centered cubic structure. 5 A. State Bragg's law. Derive Bragg's law of X-ray diffraction. B. With neat sketch explain construction and working of X-ray diffractometer. యూనిట్ 3 నుంచి 6th వేయండి. Describe the phenomenon of electronic polarization. Obtain an expressions for the same. B. Derive the Cauchy-Moussorti relation dielectric subjective to static field. Next, 7th layer. Explain the classification of magnetic material based on hysteresis. Give their characteristics, properties and application. B. A magnetic material has a magnetization of 3300 A by M and flux density of 0.0044 W meter per -2. Calculate the magnetization force and the relative permeability of the material. యూనిట్ 4 నుంచి 8th A. Describe the properties of de Broglie waves. B. Assuming the time independent Schrödinger wave equation, discuss the solution for a particle in one-dimensional potential box of infinity height. 9th A. Derive an expressions for density of state and write its importance. P. use the Fermi distribution function to obtain value of f power e for e minus ef, that is equal 0.01 electrovolt at 200 kelvins. Unit 5 నుంచి 10th లో discuss the classification of crystalline solid based on band theory, derive an expressions for the density charge carrier in n-type semiconductor. 11th లో derive the expressions for drift and distribution current. B. Explain Hall effect and its significance. Unit 1 set 1, set 2, set 3, set 4 డిఫరెంట్ వీడియోలో అప్లోడ్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఈ 4 సెట్స్లో ఏవైతే 2 times 3 times క్వశ్చన్స్ రిపీట్ అవుతూ ఉంటాయో యూనిట్కి 5 to 6 క్వశ్చన్స్ జాగ్రత్తగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. అలా 5 యూనిట్స్ నుంచి ఒక 25 to 30 క్వశ్చన్స్ మనం కరెక్ట్గా నేర్చుకోగలిగితే 55 అంతకంటే ఎక్కువ అటెంప్ట్ చేయడం పాసిబిలిటీ అనేది ఉంటుంది అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 70కి.